Welcome students in our math class, and today about I'll explain you about the algebraic operations related to multiplication. How to multiply two monomials, or how to multiply a monomial with a polynomial, or two polynomials, or two or more than polynomials. It means we will today discuss about the multiplication of polynomial. So already in the last class I said to you that when plus and plus is multiplied, then it is plus. Minus minus will become plus on multiplication. Plus and minus is minus. Minus plus is minus. And plus 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 and then plus into minus is minus. And minus plus plus, then again plus minus, sorry, minus plus is minus, and plus minus, minus plus is minus, then minus minus is plus. So similar signs when multiplied, then the sign will be plus, and when opposite signs are multiplied, the sign will be minus. Next I said to you that when the bases are same, then the powers will be added, like in arithmetic. Like 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 3, 7. And when bases are same and division is there, then powers will be subtracted. Like 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 3 to the power 2. Okay. And same way in algebra also, if variables are there, then a cube into a to the power 2 means a square will be equal to a to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5. X to the power 2 into x to the power 6, then it is equal to x to the power 2 plus 6 x to the power 8. And when it is division, like a cube divided by a square, then powers will be subtracted. A to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to a to the power 3 minus and minus plus, so a to the power 5, 8. So the just is that plus into plus is plus, plus minus into minus is plus, plus minus minus, minus plus is minus. And again the thing is that in multiplication, when bases are same, in multiplication powers will be added, and when division is there, then powers will be subtracted. Okay. Now suppose you have to multiply this, that 16x square y cube by this. So in multiplication, first we have to think about the sign. Then second we have to think about the numerical value. The numerical coefficient will be multiplied with the numerical coefficient. And then we have to multiply the variables. So the literal coefficient multiplied by the literal coefficient. So here in this, when I have to multiply this with this, the sign is plus into plus, so sign will be here plus. No need to write the sign plus. Then 16 into 4, that is 16 into 4, and then x to the power 2 and x to the power 4 is there. So 4 plus 2, that is x to the power 6. And y square, then it is 3 8 plus 2, that is 5. So already we have discussed in all these things in our last class. And suppose you have to multiply this with this. So first think about the sign. Minus plus will be minus, then numerical coefficient multiplied by the numerical coefficient. So 3 by 5 into 10 by 27. Literal coefficient of this and literal coefficient of this term multiplied, sorry, this expression multiplied, then what will happen? For this part you will get the value 2 by 9, and for this part you will get the value this, a to the power 3 and b to the power 6, which already we have discussed in our last class. Now this is monomial multiplied by a monomial. Now I will discuss how a monomial multiplies a binomial. For example, 6x minus 5 is there and multiplied by minus 3x. Okay. So it is here that a binomial is multiplied by a monomial. In case of multiplication, each term of a polynomial, like here two terms are there of polynomial, then it is multiplied by each term of other expression. So this is another expression here. One term is there. So these two terms are multiplied. So what I will write for this is equal to, actually this is 3x minus 3x. You can write this side or that side, no problem. 6x minus 5. Then this term I will multiply by this, as well as this term is multiplied by this also. So I will write here is equal to minus 3x. Okay, then this is 6x, so 6x. Then again what will, now this sign is there, so I will write this sign here. Then minus 3x and this multiply 5. Okay, so that is equal to what? 6 3s are 18, x into x will be x square, and minus plus sign will be minus. Again this is the one part, this is for this part. Now this sign minus I have written here, then this I will calculate. Minus into plus will be minus. 3 5s are 15 and x is equal to minus 18x square. Now this minus into this minus will plus 15x. So this is now no like terms are there. So I don't have to add or subtract. It will be like this only, because this is x square and this is x. So the terms are not like terms. So I'll leave in this way. So this is the answer. Now next sum is, suppose this is 12x square minus 4x plus 5. And it is multiplied by 8x cube. So what you will write? 12x square minus 4x plus 5 multiplied by, means here multiplication sign, 8x cube. Now these are the three terms in this polynomial. I said each term will be multiplied by each of the term of other part. So this multiplied this, as well as I have to multiply this with this and this with this. So the thing is here, 8x cube, I'll multiply 12x square. Okay, then this minus sign, minus I will write here. Then again 8x cube and this 4x. Then plus sign this plus sign, write it here. Then what to do? This again 8x cube and multiply 5. Either you write this way or you can write in this way also, that this you will write first this term 12x square into 8x cube. Then minus sign, this 4x you write 4x multiply 8x cube plus 5 multiply 8x cube. So whether you are writing this side and that side, no matter, no problem, because 2 into 3 will be equal to 3 into 6. Sorry, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Both has same value, that is the 6. Okay. So this and that is equal to what? Plus into plus is plus. First I will think about the sign. Then 12 into 8 is 96. Okay. And x to the power 2, x to the power 3. So 3 plus 2, 5. Powers will be added. Minus 32. Plus into plus, plus 32. Okay. And x, it will be x to the power 4. 3 and 1, 4. Plus, this is one part. Second one, and plus 5 8 ja 40 x cube, and that is equal to what? 96 x to the power 5 minus 32 x to the power 4 plus 40 x cube. So that is your answer, because no like terms and they are written in descending order, 5 power 4 power x to the power 3. So that is the answer. So we have done two sums here, one this and second this, and both are related to what? A binomial multiplied by a monomial. Now we will do a sum where a binomial is multiplied by a binomial. This a polynomial multiplied by a polynomial. So here the sum is that x plus 6 multiply x plus 11. So this is a binomial and this is a binomial. Each term will be multiplied by each of the term of this one. So it means this x will multiply this both and this 6 also multiply this both. So what I will write here, x, and then this I will write here x plus 11, because this term will multiply both of the term of this polynomial. Again this term plus 6 x plus 11. Okay. Now this is like monomial multiplied about. I am multiplying a binomial with a monomial. So now what will happen? This x will multiply this as well as this. In the same way, this 6 multiply this as well as this. So here x into x. So x square plus sign this plus, and x into 11 is 11x plus this 6x plus 11 6 is 66. Now it is x square. These are like terms. These two are like terms because both have same literal coefficient x and x. So what I will do, I will add these together. So x plus 11 and 6 is what? 17x plus 60. So this is the one sum I have done. Then I will do one more sum. Suppose it is 5x plus 2b into 5x minus 2. Okay. So here 5x one term, 5x one term, and then multiplying 5x minus 2b. Okay. And then this plus is there, plus 2b into this one 5x minus 2b. So the thing is that this 5x multiply both the terms of this polynomial, and then by 2b multiply both the terms of this polynomial. So that is equal to what? Equal to, now this multiply with this, and this one this, and again here also same thing, this into this. So this 5x into 5x is what? 25. 5 into 5, 25. X into x is x square. Then minus 5 2s are 10. Plus minus is minus. 5 2s are 10. X, and this is what? B. So x b. So I will write b first, alphabetical order, and then x. Plus 2 5s are 10. X b. Sorry, b x. And then it is 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. B into b is b square. Okay, equal to, now these are like terms, this one and this one, but one is with minus sign, another is with plus sign. So this will be cancelled because minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So these are cancelled. Now this will be 25 x square minus 4 b square is the answer. Now next I'm doing a trinomial multiplied by a binomial. So third one sum is that a trinomial, you take this one, that 2x square minus 3x minus 1. This is a trinomial multiplied by x minus 1. So here it means this multiply this. So I'll write 2x square and then in the bracket this x minus 5. Okay. Then minus 3x and this x minus 5. Then it is minus 1. So I'll write minus 1 and x minus. Okay. So that is equal to what? 2 2x cube. Powers will be added, and 2 plus minus minus 2 5s are 10. Then here minus X square is also here, so 2 5s are 10, and literal coefficient is also there, so x square. Okay, minus 3x, the powers will be added, so it is 2. Now this minus into minus, it will become plus. Okay, so this is plus, and then it will be plus. Then 3x into minus 5. Minus minus plus, 3 into 5 is what? 15. And then this x will be equal to here x minus this 1, and x is x, and minus into minus will be plus. So 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, and that is equal to what? You can see here the x square, two like terms are there, and then x and x, two like terms are there. Here x square, two like terms, and this x and x, two like terms are there. So these, we have to calculate this one and this one. So first I write this 2x cube minus 10 minus 3. So it is in total 13. And then x square the literal coefficient, then plus 15, and here nothing is 1, plus 15 minus 1, that is plus 14, and x is here literal coefficient, then plus 5. So that is the answer for this sum. So this is all about multiplication. In the same way, suppose if it is a trinomial multiplied by a trinomial, or for example this 2x square minus 5x plus 3 multiplied by 5x square minus 6x minus 4. Okay, so what you will do here, each of the term of this polynomial will multiply by each of the term of this polynomial. So that is equal, by means that is you will replace it by multiplication sign. Okay, I'm not writing it. So this is 2x square, this whole term, 5x square minus 6x minus 4. Okay, next is this minus 5x. So I'll write minus 5x multiply 5x square minus 6x minus 4. Next is what? Plus 3. So write here plus 3 into 5, this whole, 5x square minus 6x minus 4. Okay. Now what is this? 2 5s are 10. So here 10. X square into x square will be x to the power 4 minus plus minus minus 2 6 are 12, x to the power 3 minus 2 4 are 8 x square. Here nothing is there, but here x square, so it is x square. Then minus. Okay, if outside the bracket minus is there, when I will open the bracket, we know that all the signs will change. Either you think in this way, or you can think in this way, that minus into plus will be minus. Again minus and minus, for this part it will be, here you have to write plus, because minus minus plus. Or you can say the sign will change because outside it is minus. So, and this minus minus, again it will be plus. So I'm writing here, I'm considering that since outside it is minus, when I will open the bracket, all the signs will change. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, and x into x square, x to the power 3. Again minus minus plus. So 5x into 6x, 5 6 are 30, and x into x means x to the power 2. Then minus, this minus into minus plus. 5 4s are 20, x. Next is that this part plus 3 5s are 15, x square minus 18x minus 12. Now like terms, jot down together. X to the power 4 is there, but only 1. So write it here, 10x to the power 4. Then x cube is this one, and x cube is this one. Then no more x cube. So write here minus 12x cube minus 25x cube. Okay. Then this is x square, this is x square as well as this. So write here 8x square plus 13x square plus 15x square. Next is x here. This is x, this part is x, this part is x. So it is plus 20x minus 18x. And a pure number, that is 12 here, this 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms are here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So count the terms when many terms are there. Otherwise, maybe you will miss out any term. So that is equal to 10 to the power 10x to the power 4 minus. Now minus 12, minus 25, minus 8. All are in minus. So all will be added together. So 12, 25 and 8. How much it is? 12 and 8, 20. 20, 20, 40, 45. So it is 45x cube. Okay. Here it is plus, plus and all are plus. So okay. So plus. Sorry, these two terms. So this is 3 and 1, 4, 45 x square. Now this here plus, because plus 20 minus 18. I know plus 20 minus 18. So it will be plus 2. Because plus 20 is greater than minus 18. So here it will be 20 minus 18 will be 2 and plus sign. X will be here. Okay. And then minus 12. So this is the answer. This is the horizontal way we are doing. One more thing, if you feel uh, uncomfortable that by this method, then you can even use this way. Suppose this 4a square minus 6a plus 5, which you have to multiply by 3a plus 2. Then how will you do? You write it here 4a square minus 6a plus 5. Then write here like in arithmetic we write here 2. Okay. Now multiply all these terms with this 3a. This 3a. So 4a square into 3a. So 4 3s are 12a, 2 and 1, 3 minus. Then this multiply by this. So 6 3s are 18 and a to the power 2. Then this multiplied by this. So plus 5 3s are 15a. Now all these terms will be multiplied by this 2 plus 2. So when I will multiply plus 2, it is 4 to the 8 a square. So below a square I will write. So it is plus 8a square. Then this multiplied by this 6 2s are 12a minus 12a. So it is here. So here you will write minus 12a. And then 2 5s are 10. So here plus 10. Now what I will do? I will add this and this together. All of this with this one. So it is 12a cube minus 18 and 8, 26. Sorry, this is minus 18, it is plus 8. So it will be minus 18 and plus 8 is minus 10. Minus 10 a square. Then plus 15 minus 12 plus 3 and this literal coefficient a plus 10. Use this way, do the multiplication in this way. It will be for your higher study, for your class 9 10, all this method will be very useful, and this way you can do it for the practice, but develop the habit to do the multiplication in this way, horizontal, this one, linear one. So this is all about how to multiply a polynomial in algebra.